Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to make neon text animation in Filmora 12. This text animation can be used as great intro to your videos. Before we start the video, go in my description, and get a subscription on Elements Envato for the best stock footage. Also don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Flat Media. Firstly go in Titles tab. Drag and drop default title into your timeline. Double click on it. Remove the text, and click on Circle Shape. Make one circle, and remove the text. Now you need to turn off Fill, and Shape Fill option. Make sure Shape Border is just activated. Now select turquoise color, and increase thickness to 8. Also increase blur to 6 for better neon visualization. Now you will need to do the same. Put some text on your timeline. Double click on it, go to Shape, and make another circle a little smaller than previous. Do the same steps again with this circle. Make sure Shape Border is only turned on. Then just select some light green color. Now take a snapshot of the circles. Then remove texts, and import snapshot to your timeline. Now go to Stock Media, Solid Color and drag and drop black color. Because we need black background. Double click on Snapshot, go to Mask tab. And use this parallel mask. Scroll down and click on Invert. Place the mask in about this height. And increase blur strength a little bit. Now go in Titles tab, and drag and drop default title on the top of your timeline. I will write flat, with DaVinci font and 36 size. You can choose font whatever you want. Drag and drop the default title again. This time I will write media. And a third text would be tutorial. But with hero font and size 80. Now we will change the colors. We will choose some neon colors. Double click on tutorial text, and change the color a little darker than circle color. Now do the same with other two texts, but make sure colors are the same with first circle color. Then go in Effects tab, and search for Glow Pro effect. Drag and drop the effect on the top. Change the preset to Angels. Go to Light Source, and increase sensitivity to 73.9. I will make radius 100, and feather to 0. Change the glow color as your circle is. Increase strength a little bit. Now find some background. I think brick wall is the best. Double click on it, and decrease opacity to 13. Now go in Effects tab, go to Boris FX Effects, and find BCC Lighting Effect. Drag and drop into your snapshot. Then double click on it, and go to Effects tab, and choose the bouncing preset. Now I found some electricity sounds. Drag and drop them to the timeline. Shorten as your video is, and that's all.
How do they do that?
Here is the final result. For more tutorials, please like this video and subscribe to Flat Media.